crafty people. Come on in and let's find out which craft we're doing today.
Hi crafty friends, welcome to my channel. Today's craft is sewing. About a month and a half ago, I purchased my first ever quilt kit. I bought Night Howler from the Art East Quilt Company. It is so awesome. Wait until you see it. Now, this is the second ever quilt that I'll be doing from beginning to end so far in my quilting journey. So I am anticipating calling up my friend Dirk, who is my seam ripper, and having his services because I know I'm going to need his services. But to find out how many times I'm going to need his services, stay tuned. So first thing I'm going to do is fold this square diagonally, and I'm going to look on both sides at the edge to make sure that I don't see any of the opposite edge peeking through. That way I know I have folded it correctly in the middle. And I'm going to finger press it here so that I can create a crease, and that is going to be my sew line. I do have a water soluble pen, but it's blue and I'm just afraid right now. I haven't tested it on this fabric yet. So of course I stitched it and I did it wrong, so here we are, seam rip number 1. Yes, I had to number them, you'll see. Spoiler alert, there's more. But here's a tool that I have for my card making. This is a glue eraser. It's a hard rubbery plastic, well it's not plastic, but like a hard rubbery textured eraser, and it's for when I glue small pieces on the card. If the glue seeps out once it's dry, I can use this to get the glue off without damaging the cardstock. But it's also really good at removing the bobbin thread from these pieces that after you've seam ripped them and you've got all that extra thread on there, you can just use this lightly on there and it'll pull all that thread up and you can just brush it off. It's only a couple of bucks on Amazon. I'm sure other places sell it as well. The only thing you want to do is be really careful when you're using this that you don't go across the edge, because you'll fray the fabric. As you see here, a piece of thread pulled up because it's loose on the edge. So just be careful that you don't go over the edge with that. You just kind of stay on the fabric. So let's give this another try. Seam ripping time. Come on, Dirk. So, come here, see. Now this is a teeny tiny one, so let's I'm gonna try and do this one. Like that. Need to go just a little bit. There we go. Come on. Okay. So now when we flip it over, ta-da! Perfect. Perfect. So they want me to do a same way here. Okay. Come on.
gonna flip this way. Okay. Let's get you there and there and there. Okay. Now let's do right there. And let's go slowly. Oh, that's right on it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Good. Oh, yay. Okay. Now, there it is, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh. I think it's done. Right? Don't they say quit while you're ahead? It's my quilt. Ta-da! Just kidding. Here's the first finished component. Ooh, it's looking so good. Okay. Oh my god. Seam rip, seam rip, seam rip. That's all I'm doing. I'm just going to tape this right here and save myself some time. I think I'm like my 16th time seam ripping. This is what happens when I try to do anything straight. Oh, why? What is happening? Hold on, let me look at this. It's, I don't think his face is supposed to do that. Did I just give my wolf Ozempic face?
Well, friends, that's all for today, but look at the progress that I've made. I am so excited how this is turning out. Even though I had a few hiccups, I had some seam ripping, lots of seam ripping that I had to do, but it all worked out. And it's coming together quite well. I'm very excited about it. I want to give another special shout out to John at Art East Quilt Company for designing such an awesome quilt. So come back and watch me finish the top, and then later on I'm going to quilt this in the hoop. Now, I've had some people reach out and ask me to do a tutorial on quilting it in the hoop. I'm going to do that, but caution, this is only my second ever full quilt that I've done. So I'm happy to put together a tutorial of how I do quilting in the hoop on an embroidery machine, but just know that it's my second one ever. But I will show you how I do it, the method behind the madness that is my brain. And if you're not looking to learn how to do that, but you want a few laughs, come along for that fun ride anyway. So thank you all for coming. I would say come back to see which craft I'm going to do, but we already know it's going to be more sewing. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks again. Bye, crafty people.